Are you tired of the same old boring meals when camping? We've got just the thing to spice up your next outdoor adventure. In this video, we're excited to share some delicious and satisfying food ideas for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert that you can enjoy while camping. Starting your day off with a hot and hearty breakfast is essential when camping. We'll show you some easy and delicious breakfast ideas that you can cook over a campfire. From French toast to breakfast burritos, these meals are sure to fuel you up for a day of outdoor adventure. Cooking over a campfire is a great way to add some flavor and excitement to your lunch and dinner meals. We'll show you some mouth-watering dishes that you can cook over an open flame, like grilled vegetables, juicy burgers, and perfectly cooked steaks. These meals are simple to prepare and sure to impress your camping companions. No camping trip is complete without some tasty snacks and desserts. We'll show you how to make some easy and delicious treats that you can enjoy around the campfire, like gooey s'mores, grilled fruit skewers, and even popcorn cooked over the fire. These snacks and desserts are the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth and make memories with loved ones. Cooking over a campfire is more than just preparing meals. It's an experience that connects you with nature and creates memories that will last a lifetime. We hope this video has given you some inspiration for your next camping trip and that you try out some of these delicious food ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting camping tips and adventures. Happy camping!